Rats.
Hey Rats.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jay. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
And I am trying to make sure you like, comment, share. Listen, whatever you see here, it's okay for you to share it. Turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of laughter, you will receive it. Also, give this video a thumbs up for this Haagen-Dazs mixed fruit, whipped cream, peach, and banana we're about to chow it.
Okay guys, we're gonna say grace and then we'll tell you what we're getting into with all of this goodness here. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so today, Trent is doing the Sloppy Toppings in the Dark challenge. And I will be taking part in the Lick the Cream, Eat the Peach challenge. Sloppy Toppings in the Dark was created by the Vegan Kitty, and Lick the Cream, Eat the Peach was created by the Mask Vegan, and we were tagged by Seoulful. Hi. Can you tell someone is super happy that she was tagged in this?
Seoulful Eats, like I said, it's always you. It's always you.
If you're wondering who made that comment, now you know. Just saying.
It's
okay.
just always you.
Alright, so let's get into this. So this one, she has 10 minutes to finish this. There's no time limit for this one. You just gotta eat it and see how fast you complete it. So, there we go. Ready? That's yours. Oh, I gotta get rid of these because I can't take the
Rags, to be honest, look at the spoon. Alright. I ain't saying nothing.
I will have to.
I'ma just go ahead and do this challenge.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to disappear for a quick second because I have to drain these off and I forgot about it. Okay. Be right back. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. I had to drain the juice.
So,
I have to blindfold you because you have to be blindfolded.
I'm just gonna put my banana on here. I'm not gonna use all the banana because it's a long one. Won't use all the banana because it's a long banana. So I'm gonna use this banana. This is my way of making what is this?
Banana split.
Banana split.
To be honest, this is a lot of peach. This is. I'm sorry. I borrowed your spoon. Okay. And then I have to put. Did you start it? Okay.
Rag, she was telling me that the banana needs to be cut.
Yeah, I forgot to mention that part.
I'm using the spoon to cut it. I don't know. I'm not a banana split person. I'm being honest. All right, whatever. The banana is in there. It's there. I'm putting some more ice cream in here.
Welcome to your first attempt at making banana split.
Guys, we don't do well with challenges.
Yeah.
It's not purposely, we just don't do well with challenges. Don't worry. Oh, yeah.
Is that it?
Sure.
It smells so good. I mean...
Yo.
I'm not a big peach fan, but it smells pretty good.
Your peaches stink.
No. No, seriously, no.
Yeah. 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 Your peaches stink.
No. Hold on. We talking about these peaches or I don't know.
Listen. Can you start a challenge?
No, but my peach not smell. My peach not smell bad enough.
Them peaches there.
No, the peach not smell bad enough.
Them peaches, this thing. Gosh darn it. I'm trying to figure out how Jay is gonna eat these peaches right here.
My peach don't smell good.
No, it don't.
My peach
No,
smell
it
good.
don't.
It smell good.
Alright.
And we're back.
She got it open, guys.
Alright, so.
Okay. There go my banana split. And I'm gonna tell myself 10 minutes. Like so.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna start eating.
Alright, and you gotta blindfold yourself. Sorry.
But I can't see in the dark.
That's the whole point of it.
What do you mean? Oh,
No.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
And you can't sing us in the peach stink.
Yeah.
Me no forget. I remember.
Homegirl.
No homegirl. Try go and go eat your split.
Homegirl.
Okay, no hands.
Stop messing up my door. And I think you blindfold me so you could really eat with no hands.
Mm-hmm.
I think you over there. I can't even see. Jay. Spoon backwards. Jay. What are you doing with your mouth? I don't trust what you're doing with your mouth, Jay.
Don't worry about it.
Well, I don't think the challenge where you blindfold me go where you blindfold me. Because what are you doing with your mouth that you don't want me to see?
You gotta eat.
Jay.
That's it.
Oh.
Oh.
What are you doing with your mouth that you don't want me to see?
Slurping.
I think you out here being a dirty girl. Jay. I'm taking off the blindfold.
You can't. That's not a part of the challenge.
Because you're gonna let me watch a video later. And I'm gonna be like, oh man, this ice cream is so cold. Wait, I gotta wipe my mouth. Because I can't see anything. That's the thing about it. How can
But
you
that's
eat?
the whole point of it. You're not supposed to see anything.
But
That's why it's a challenge.
How can you eat in the dark? Huh? Do you eat in the dark? Name me some food that you eat in the dark.
I could eat peach. Smell good peach.
Those peaches though, they don't smell good. The peaches that you have don't smell good. That's what I'm saying. I want to see how you eating that.
I don't want you to see nothing.
Because I don't trust what you're doing with your mouth, Jay.
I'm not doing it. I'm slurping.
It's not like you're having fun.
I'm slurping.
I bet you all your mouth is dirty, ain't it?
You'll be surprised.
So
I'm gonna eat clean. I eat clean.
You're a clean eater, huh? This is the thing, Jay. I don't think I started the timer.
You don't. Let me see. I'll check for you. You don't have to open your eyes.
No, you don't want me to open my eyes because you don't want me to see what you're doing.
No, you don't have to open your eyes. You could just do what you're doing. That's fine. You have 7 minutes.
What are you doing with your mouth? Cold. Oh boy. Guys, you could tell I've never had a banana split. I'm eating this very poorly.
You could tell that I'm not a big whipped cream person.
No, Jay just wanna live on the edge because she over here slurping, and all I could feel on my right hand is she just bending all the time. Why are you bending?
Because
babe?
I can't use my hand.
I think you're having fun not using your hand. That's the thing about it.
Get your hand out of my peach.
Jay, how much time I have? How much ice cream I have in the thing?
A lot. You have 6 minutes.
A lot. I didn't eat none.
You still got a banana.
Here's the thing.
And the fruit. You gotta eat a banana and the fruit too.
It's cold.
I know, but you gotta eat it.
I have to.
Yeah.
You said I have to?
It's a part of the challenge.
I understand, but you know I don't like those have to words.
Okay.
Don't say I have to, because then I won't do it. You know I don't.
You don't have to do it.
Don't put me in a corner.
You don't have to do it.
You know I like to be free.
You don't have to do it.
All right, so then you say I don't have to, then I'm gonna do it. I put baby in a corner. Jay.
I can't eat whipped cream like that. For some strange reason,
How much I have left?
A lot.
What?
You go. Ask me again. Do it again.
Jay.
No. Why is that?
What are you doing with your
I'm
lips?
still.
Oh man, no. Because I can't see the ice cream and I don't know how much ice cream I have left.
But I said a lot.
Oh man, I'm not eating nothing.
Come on.
Like I can't see in the dark. That's the thing.
But the point of it is for you.
No, lick it. Let me see what you was doing. What are you? It's a challenge.
I'm trying to
Eat
get
it.
I'm trying to get the peach.
Eat. Don't lick it like that. Put your mouth. What? You know what?
No.
Rox, this is the thing.
No.
You could tell this is on some other level for Jay, because she over here doing some other thing. All you gotta do is use your teeth and pick it up. I'm not done with that, Jay. First of all, Jay. First of all.
Oh.
Close your mouth, Trent.
Sorry.
Listen, y'all be dealing with these challenges. Why can't you eat it properly?
I am.
With a fork.
It's a no hands challenge.
Look at your nose.
I don't know, whipped cream is a funny.
I am so sorry if I spoil this challenge. We are no good at challenges. You don't understand. Even when we challenge each other, we're still no good at it. But Seoulful eats. For some reason, always choose to seek us out. Don't know why. I'm not really eating at this point, guys, because the ice cream is cold. I'm gonna drink the ice cream. That's what I'm gonna do, because it's already melted.
You have 2.5 minutes. You know what?
I don't like to mess up my mouth with white stuff. That's the thing. I don't like to mess up my mouth with white stuff.
I know this white stuff is
it don't look right.
No, and on top of it, it doesn't feel right in my mouth.
No.
Right?
No.
This is.
I don't like to mess up my mouth with white stuff. No.
You know what? I give up because I've reached the.
Not at all. I don't.
No, you could finish. You still have time. You have time.
Because what would I look like if I?
You have 1 minute and 50 seconds. You gonna eat a fruit? You want me to help you eat a fruit?
Eat your fruit. Use a fork.
No.
How much whipped cream did you put in that?
No.
No whipped cream.
I put a lot.
I ate all the ice cream. I didn't eat the fruit though.
No, but I put a lot of whipped cream on there.
You did?
Yeah. But you know, when whipped cream goes in my mouth, it just doesn't feel right. The texture of it, doesn't feel right.
Only whipped cream?
Yeah. No comment on that
I'm
one.
just asking.
Yeah.
Seoulful eats.
She is.
Let me tell you.
Awesome.
No. Let me talk to Seoulful eats, man.
Okay.
Let me talk to Seoulful eats.
Cool.
Seoulful eats. I know you're watching this. I know you are, and I know you're cracking up too. I know that. But listen,
As you should.
let me tell you something. Thank you for the challenge.
Yeah.
But you're gonna stop sneaking out me and Jay to do these challenges because we're no good at challenges. We respect the challenges though, but we're no good at it, and we don't want to spoil that. You know.
No, I don't think we spoiled it. I think it's fun. I enjoy doing them.
No, Soulful he said, Big Rex, small bite, and she direct us completely what to do. She said one should do the peach,
Lick my cream, eat my peach.
and one should do
Sloppy toppings in the dark.
right. You could tell she's a manager where she worked. She direct traffic over here.
Yeah. And we did just that. And your time is up.
No,
Loser.
Jay, look, no.
Loser.
Jay, look, because I ate all the ice cream.
Loser.
And I didn't eat the fruit. It's only the fruit that was left. You didn't eat nothing at all.
No, I ate majority of the peach.
First
I
of
ate
all,
majority
you blindfold
of
me
the peach.
whole time, and I don't think the challenge is
No,
blindfolding.
yes, it is.
Wait.
If you look at it,
No, because
though.
I'm trying to make a point. Because you blindfold me the whole time. This is what you did. You blindfold me the whole time so you could eat with your lips with white stuff and peach. Because you did not want me to see what you're doing. You know what? I'm about to watch this video 5 times.
No.
I know because I want to see what you're really capable of.
No.
I don't think that you were supposed to blindfold me with the challenge.
I was. That's what they said.
Who said it?
It's the vegan kitty.
No, I think you blindfold me so you could do your dirt, Jay.
No.
I tell you what, God don't like is ugly.
And he's not too fun or cute.
Because I'm gonna watch this video and see what you was doing.
No, I was licking the cream, right?
Don't
And then
lick the cream in public.
I know I was trying not to. That's why I was slurping it. I was slurping it for a minute. I was.
Yeah, she was slurping alright. Guys, we appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for always watching. And this is where we'll leave you. Thank you for the challenge, Soulful Eats. And
check her out. She has an awesome channel with her 2 daughters too. That comes on ever so often. Beautiful family.
The description will be below. Everybody, description will be below. All right. And this is where we'll leave you until we meet again. Don't judge Jay by the slurping that she done did.
Yeah,
until
please.
we meet again. until we meet again. Have a good time. Have a fine time. Have a happy time.
Guys.
Put laughter in your life. It will light it up. Bye
Bye,
guys.